Welcome to the last video of this collection on Introduction to the Cell Cycle, where we will look into the checkpoints of a cell cycle. Picture a busy city street with traffic lights controlling the flow of cars. Just like how traffic lights prevent accidents by regulating the movement of cars, the cell cycle also has checkpoints that ensure everything is in order before allowing the cell to proceed to the next stage. So, what are these checkpoints? Well, checkpoints are biochemical circuits that detect external or internal stimuli and send appropriate signals to the cell cycle system. External events, such as hormones and cell crowding, can initiate or inhibit cell division. However, before a cell can divide, it must pass through checkpoints that monitor its size, protein reserves, and DNA integrity. These checkpoints occur at different stages of the cell cycle and act like quality control points, ensuring that everything is perfect before the cell moves on to the next phase. There are 3 checkpoints in the cell cycle. These are G1S checkpoint, G2M checkpoint, and the M checkpoint. Now, let's see them one by one, starting with the G1S checkpoint, which is also known as G1 checkpoint and is present at the G1S transition of the cell cycle. It is the main decision point, which decides the fate of the cell present in G1 phase, which is ready to enter S phase and undergo DNA synthesis. The cell will not proceed if there are inadequate nutrients or growth factors available. It ensures that the previous cycle of division is complete and any damage present get repaired before DNA synthesis. Cell cycle will be arrested and the cell enters the G0 phase until the damage is repaired. Only then it can pass the checkpoint. Now, once DNA has been synthesized in the S phase, the cell enters the G2 phase, where it gets prepared for the mitotic division. Now, at the G2M transition, a checkpoint is present, which is referred to as G2 checkpoint or G2M checkpoint. It ensures DNA synthesis has occurred completely and there's no damage in the DNA. And if there's any kind of damage found, the cell cycle is paused and the DNA is repaired before the cell division or mitosis. However, what will happen if it is unable to repair the damaged DNA or complete the replication process? Well, in that case, cell will undergo apoptosis and would prefer to die rather than passing the damaged DNA to the daughter cells. Now, the third checkpoint is the M checkpoint. It is also known as the spindle assembly checkpoint. It ensures that the cell has properly aligned its chromosomes before they are pulled apart during anaphase. So, if the chromosomes aren't properly aligned, the cell cycle will pause and try to correct the mistake before proceeding with division. So, these checkpoints are critical for maintaining the integrity of the cell cycle and preventing mutations and DNA damage that can lead to cancer and other diseases. Here, we are done with this video collection on Introduction to the Cell Cycle. I hope you have learned something new. For more such videos, keep watching sqadia.com.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.